Amboli, also known as the Chirapunji of Maharashtra, nestled in the lap of Western Ghats. This little hill station is famous for its lush greenery, cascading waterfalls, and mysterious charm. Every turn, every valley, and every cloud here tells a story of its own. From the sacred Hiranyakashi temple to the breathtaking Kaulesar Point, Mahadevghat Point, and the famous Amboli waterfall. These are the spots every traveler loves to explore. But have you ever witnessed the other side of Amboli? Beyond the viewpoints and waterfalls lies a world that many never see. A world where nature reveals its true wonders in daylight and in darkness alike. Hidden among the leaves and forest trails are the real residents of Amboli. The wrinkled frogs and dancing frogs near the streams, the elegant green wine snake resting on a branch, the shy Malabar Pit Viper blending perfectly with the forest floor, and countless insects, butterflies, and creatures that bring the forest to life. As the evening sets in, Amboli changes its rhythm. The forest glows faintly with the bioluminescence, and the air fills with the sound of crickets and frogs. This is nature's symphony, subtle, magical, and alive. This is the other side of Amboli, not just its hills and waterfalls, but its rich, breathing ecosystem. Every sound, every movement, every color here is a reminder that Amboli is more than just a place, it's a living forest. Amboli isn't just a destination, it's a world waiting to be understood. By the day, the forest shines in vibrant life, and by night, it glows with mystery. So, the next time you visit, look beyond the usual and witness the other side of Amboli, where nature's magic lives in every moment.